public courts are open to all the public. So
Shush.
We are talking
so
about
No.
national.
Overruled.
We are talking about
Overruled.
national.
Overruled.
This is welcome to the part 2 of the court parody
The
series.
president's back.
Yeah. So in this one, I am gonna be the lawyer. Me and Fuzel is gonna go against each other, and we'll have our judges. I guess let
Yeah.
the
Who do you
courtroom
want?
drama begin.
Alright, who's presenting first? Cap, I assume
I'll
you're
be the one.
presenting first.
I'll
and
be
who
the
do
one
you want
here.
as a judge to your case?
You, my love, you.
Oh, me. Hang on, bro. Wait, I don't have a t-shirt.
did she just say my love?
Fuck it.
Oof,
Yes, I did.
cringe compilation. Here we come.
It's better than your stupid compilation. At least it
You
gets
are-
views.
She's blabbering. She doesn't know what she's saying. Anyway, guys, how you all doing? Let us know in the comments below what you want to see next in it.
No one is commenting. Let's be real here. No one is
Anyway.
commenting.
I'm
Except
gonna comment.
us.
Don't worry.
Alright, I'm back.
All the ladies,
Judge,
hit me up in the comments.
Judge Genie is back in court.
Queen.
Oh, you can't see me, but I'm wearing a blazer. Alright. I'll have
It looks
a
like
judge.
it's your
That's
wedding.
ugly. That's the ugliest wedding blazer.
What did you say? Wait, what did
That's
you say?
the only
Yes?
blazer.
I just said it looks like it's our wedding. You look so handsome.
No,
What that
Fufu, what
shirt
did
is.
you say?
That's an ugly ass blazer.
Alright, I'll remember that. So,
I'm not scared of you.
presenter,
I
which
don't
is
care about. I don't care about winning or losing.
Can
I
we
care
have
about the
silence in
truth.
court, please?
Truth.
So may I present
Thank
my case, Your Honor?
Yeah, you
I
may
proceed?
present your case now.
Thank you so much. So, good morning, everyone. This case is one of the I forgot the word. It is of utmost importance for our nation right now and for the whole world, I would say.
What nation are we talking about?
There is only one nation in the country, USA. Everyone else is
United
just the
States of
spectators.
America.
Okay.
America.
Bro, can
Yes,
we
sir.
have silence in the court, please?
Tom Brady, greatest quarterback in NFL.
Can you
Let's
stop
go.
being annoying
Up.
for 1 second?
After this case, I'm gonna bring the case against the defender. He's just too annoying for this country.
Bro, I don't have a t-shirt. I'm just gonna wear this paper underneath this.
You're not part of our
Okay, go on.
country, though. Okay.
Yes,
Go
so
on, you may present your case.
at this very sensitive times and all the violence going on and with this horrible year we all just had, we as a nation needs to get rid of our leader, which we elected but has not proven his worth, and I would say has degraded America in many
I have
terms.
Okay, I have a question. Is he not already going out in a week anyways?
But sir, your honor, I correct myself, your honor, he is going out in a week, but there's a lot of damage that can be done in a week, and he does not deserve the tag of the president, does not deserve the privileges which a president gets. And we need to set a precedent that yes, the presidents can be impeached if they are not acting up to their potential or if they are doing any harm. And not only America, whole world agrees to that. Senator Trump is just a pain in the butt.
Yeah, I would advise you to mind your language in my courtroom. And
Sorry,
I would
Your
also
Honor.
assume that the defendant has to disagree with you. Since he's American, I guess he has to big up everything about America, huh? Go on, defendant. Present your opposition.
I just want to ask one thing to her here. So, you're claiming that you're American, right? So just, can you sing the American national anthem?
Excuse me, we're not here
It's not about
to prove
Honor,
anyone's
can I
answer
nationality in
Honor,
my
can I answer
courtroom.
Can you?
my
In
honor.
my
Can I
you sing
we're
the
answer?
not here
American
to
national
prove silence in the court.
My honor,
We're
can
not
I
here
have the
answer
to
pledge
this
of-
prove
question?
anyone's nationality.
Can you receive the Pledge of Allegiance, please?
May I answer his question here, Your Honor, if you permit?
Okay, go on.
This case is not about me. It's about our President Trump. So
It's
if you want
about
to make
America.
it about
Exactly.
me, see
It's
me in
not
the
about
other
you,
court.
it's
Please do
about
not waste
America.
the time.
It's not about you. It's about America. And as
It's
an
about
American,
my
I'm asking
credentials,
you,
about my. You know, the law school did test everything, so you do not need to do all that for America and just focus on
I'm
the
doing it
things,
for
you know.
America.
I would
Stop
have to
doubting
agree.
my
I would
character
have
and
to agree
wasting your
with
time.
that.
American.
So yeah,
Thank
can you please stop wasting the court's time and present your opposition point to the court, please?
Oh,
Why
he
do
has
you
none.
think Trump should not be impeached? Go on.
There's, from what I heard, she talked about president, not a specific president. So
No,
It
From
is
what
the
I
common
heard-
sense that there's only one president right now, and that is Mr. Donald Trump.
she said we
So
should not have presidents. That's what I heard. I did
You
not
should go
Okay,
and
and
She
get
said
checked about
she
your
said we should
That
get
just
rid of
capabilities.
we should get rid of the having the
that just
idea of getting
proves that
presidents.
you have not
So
been
what
paying
I am-
any attention in this code.
What I am hearing, so from what I'm
No,
hearing,
from
she's
what
saying
I'm
that
seeing
she's
is
against
silence.
she's against democracy.
Silence against
she's
the judge.
against democracy.
What I'm
That's
Why?
not a
saying
word.
is,
Why
Silence
is the
against the
defender so
judge.
obsessed with me? Why is the defender so obsessed with me, huh? Just stop making it about me. I know I can be irresistible,
not
but
about
right
you.
now it is
It's
about
not-
America and the democracy.
It's
Please
not
pay
about you.
attention.
It's not about you.
It's
not
all about me.
you.
It's all about my credentials. It's all about
This
what
is a
I did,
mistrial.
what I said. It's all
I am
about
filing
turning
for a
my
mistrial.
statements.
This is a mistrial. She's not under oath. She's not putting objections. She has no opinions.
this
is a
clearly
mistrial,
proves you have not
and this
been
is a
paying
plaintiff.
attention in my code.
I am paying attention, and this is an oral judgment of it, and this is a plaintiff. And I'm playing you. I'm doing the pleadings right now.
Pleading orally. Go on, defendant. Do you have your point, or are you just going to blame like a child? And if you are, then I would assume you're a Trump supporter too. And if you
Sidebar.
are a Trump
Can I
supporter,
have sidebar with my co-jurors?
No, you may not.
You cannot deny a sidebar.
Yes, I can. It's my judge. It's my code. I can do whatever I want.
Your Honor, I would suggest
This
just
is a
give
vote
him that,
drive.
or he's gonna cry like a baby after the
This is a vote
rulings
drive.
is against
This
him.
is a vote drive. Anyway, from whatever she's saying.
Someone just walked in. LOL. Go on. No. Hey,
From what
have you
she's
brought
saying, she
infiltrators
is
in
saying.
my code? In my
what she's
goddamn code?
And this defender was talking about democracy.
Yeah.
It's defendant.
Hypocrisy.
It's not defend.
And you were
Hypocrisy.
talking about democracy when you can't even have the right of privacy in my own code, and you're talking about a privacy and the
Courts-
huh? No.
Public courts are open
Shush.
to all the public. So
Shush.
you're-
We are
so
talking
you-
about
Shush.
national.
No. Overruled.
We are talking about
Overruled.
national.
Overruled.
This is
Public
Overruled.
courts are open
Everything
to public.
overruled.
So
I don't
This is
care.
the federal
Overruled.
court and it is-
Overruled. Okay, since I'm the judge, I will, in this, I will
this
give
is a mistrial.
cap. I will give the judgment in favor of cap on one terminal condition, and this is a non-negotiable.
what that would be, my honor.
As soon as Donald Trump is impeached, I shall
not
be
get
named
impeached.
as the dictator of United States of America.
Your
Do
honor.
Do we have an agreement or
You
not?
can be the first gentleman if you want.
First gentleman with the
That is the
okay,
most
I can be the
present.
first gentleman dictator of
Done.
America.
Yeah, that is done. Your wife is gonna be the first lady dictator or Madam President dictator. Madam dictator. Do
Fine
we
by
agree
me.
upon that?
Fine by me.
Good. So the audience and the defendants invited to our wedding tomorrow.
continuance. I
I
am
didn't say you
proposing
were
a
gonna be the
continuance.
first to
I am
press it. I
proposing
didn't
a
say you were
continuance.
gonna be
This
the
is all.
dictator.
This is a
anyways.
side.
So, audience, do you have anything to add?
This is
to
not.
this?
This is
Do
not
you
a
oppose-
martial law. This is not
Shush.
martial law.
Can
This is
someone
not
throw him
martial
in?
law.
Can someone throw him in the jail, please? We don't need him.
Exactly. Since I'll be
You
the
are-
new dictator,
You are the felon.
since I'll
You
be the
are
new
the felon
dictator,
here.
I demand that this person be thrown out of my code and my country. Get out. Get
I
out.
propose an impeachment for.
Nah, I demand a
Means-
clap. I demand a clap for my extremely unbiased and amazing rulings. Clap for me. I deserve it.
This is a misdemeanor.
Okay, so now I am the judge of this court.
After
and,
my amazing judgment, of course.
yeah,
have that
sure,
badge?
you can have that.
Mhm.
And now, as the judge, I will let Mr. Fuzail to present his case first.
Wait. I'm the audience, right?
Yeah, you're the audience.
Does that mean I can fuck off?
No,
Oh.
not in my court. Okay.
Aw.
Okay, Mr. Fuzel, proceed.
Your Honor, the Honorable Judge Mininissa, the jury, the council, the audience, the great meme Genie,
Come to the
And-
point, attorney.
Hey, can you not interrupt
objection.
the judge, please?
Yep, please don't interrupt.
Sorry, madam.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Uh-huh.
There should be some civil law in this court.
I apologize,
So-
but this guy gets me on my nerves.
It's okay.
Can she not
Calm
speak
down.
when it's my
calm
turn?
Down.
Sorry.
Calm
Your
down.
Honor,
Mhm.
can she not speak when it's my turn?
Yeah.
I'm requesting you.
Okay, please, for Miss Capodicina, calm yourself down. And Mr. Fuzel, please proceed to present your case.
Anyway, so as I was saying, I present to the jury, to the Honorable Judge, and who is she? Nobody
Audience.
cares. Anyway,
Can you hurry up a little bit? We're a bit on a schedule right now.
this is a grave issue. This is close to my heart, so we can't rush it. Anyway, the
It's my
issue is-
courtroom, okay? So I want you to
Should-
rush it just a little bit, okay? I
Just-
get that
should
you're
be
polite and
served.
stuff like that, so yeah, but just keep it short, okay?
Justice should be served, and I'm proposing that one Mr. Jake Paul should be thrown in the gulag for all the crimes he has committed against humanity, against Mother Earth, against the nature. I'm proposing that nuns should be put in the gulag as soon as possible.
Miss Judge, if I may add something,
Mm-hmm.
it would be preposterous to deny this request. Thank
I
you.
mean,
May
That's
I
all
speak
for me.
something, madam?
Yeah, but I have to, I want to know first, Mr. Fuzel, what kind of crime did he commit to,
For
to-
existing.
Yeah, for, what, for
For existing, first of all, Madam, Your Honor,
mm-hmm.
I would also like to appeal that he should not get bail for any amount of money because the heinous crimes he has committed against humanity are just unforgivable by any amount of money, and I'm proposing that he should be locked up forever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
Okay,
and ever.
okay,
Your
okay,
Honor,
we got
Your
you, we
Honor,
got you.
Can I add something?
Of course.
I just got a letter from a flying owl,
Oh, what is that?
and it's an owl. It's an animal. It's a bird,
Uh-huh.
which you can tie letters to its legs, and it can bring it to another person.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And it's from Cap herself,
Mm-hmm.
and she has absolutely no clue who Jake Paul is.
Oh,
No.
really?
I know who Jake Paul is. I had some translation problems. I'm really sorry. I cannot understand his
Oh, it's probably
Okay,
the
okay.
owl's fault.
questionable
then.
accent.
We can
Okay,
probably kill and eat the owl as a fried bird.
Mm-hmm. I mean,
Not in
Okay.
2021, sir. Please.
Probably it's just the owl error. So, I want to ask Mr. Fuzel
I
about
apologize.
this. Mm-hmm. Okay. I want to ask Mr. Fuzel, like, you said he did a lot of crimes against Mother Nature.
Heinous
and stuff
crimes.
Like, yeah,
Not
heinous.
just crimes, heinous crimes.
Yeah, okay, heinous crimes against Mother Nature
Against
and
humanity, not just Mother Nature,
Mhm.
humanity as a
Okay.
whole. We should be ashamed of that man. That
Yeah. Can
he's
you?
part of our.
Yeah, of course. Can you give me one example of what he did that makes you think that way?
Okay. First
Very
of all,
appreciated.
he started a scam, that website that was $57
Mm-hmm.
per pay for ViewTubes, and then he pointed out that this is an influential learning, and then he proposed that kids shouldn't go to school, but they should pay money to view his, how do I put it in nice ways, undermade, unappreciated, and very offensive website. They should go on that website and learn and pay $7 per month and learn from there and drop out from school. He suggested that kids should be dropping out from the school and learn from him. What? That is heinous. He is trying to rob humanity from our future generation humans. We should not allow that.
Okay.
That's Exhibit A, Your Honor. I have much more exhibits.
Okay. Okay. I heard you.
That
And
was just one example.
That's just Exhibit A. I have many more to go.
it's okay. I just need one example. Okay. So
Okay,
I
Your
heard
Honor.
you. I heard your point, and I'm trying to not be biased by this, but considering what he did a heinous crime. Like, it is outrageous, and yeah. Well, then now, Miss Capodicina, please
Yes, Your
present
Honor.
your opposition points, if you have.
Yes, ma'am, I do have some. Thank you for providing me this opportunity. So, Mr. Fuzel is proposing that we should hang Jake Paul, Mr. Paul.
I never said hang. Your Honor,
What
just to
what
be
do you
clear, I
propose?
just said he should be thrown out in the gulag and should be locked up for eternity if he survives the gulag. I never said he should be hanged.
So first of
Okay.
all, there is a very, very inhumane way to treat. That sets a precedent. That sets a precedent for anyone to be done again. Yes, I agree. I agree, or I may not agree. That is yet to be decided upon by the court. And Your Honor, that if Jake Paul is that much of a guilty person or not.
Your Honor, if I may, this is just a filibuster. She's just trying to consume time of the court, and she has no evidence.
I'll be
No,
brief.
Wait,
Your
wait,
Honor.
wait. Let her finish her points first. Okay. Go on.
I know big words. I know big court words, bruv.
Yes. So let the court decide. But if okay, again, yeah. But if this, Your Honor, if what he proposed is
Big
gonna be done,
words.
then where is us as humanity in 21st century going? Putting out people. All I'm telling is, first of all, that kind of punishment should not be given. If
Do
he
you
is
even know what a gulag is? Do you
that
even
does
know what a
not matter.
gulag
That
is?
does not matter. That does
And
matter.
you're opposing it. You're opposing it. Which you don't even know.
Your Honor,
Your
Exhibit
Honor.
A that she doesn't know what she's talking about. She does
Yes,
not know who Jake
I-
Paul is. She
I
does
know
not
who
know
Jake
what a
Paul
gulag
is.
is.
He's an American YouTuber who's a very controversial figure right here.
Your
And the
Honor,
second
if I
Okay,
may add,
And then,
She
according,
came to
if
your-
you're talking about
Wait.
the judge and the jury are talking, please. If I may add, she came to your court unprepared, undermined, without gathering her resources or any evidence of such sort. The main
Respected
point
jury member.
where Jake Paul is supposed to spend his entire life in Gulag, she doesn't even know what a Gulag is.
Mr. Jury member, if I
Even
may
though
answer
there's
this,
a
I am-
song for
Mr.
it.
Mr.
That is
Jury member, if I-
preposterous.
Okay.
Unapologetic.
Mr. Jury member, may I
Unapologetic.
answer your question?
Big words.
We know big words.
Big words.
Mr. Jury member,
Okay, let her speak.
yes. First of all, to the jury member, I do not know because I am not American by born. I am of a different ethnicity. So, if you can give me that much of
This
freedom,
is-
She's
here-
playing the race card.
Your,
She's playing.
Your Honor,
no,
if
Your
I may,
Honor,
this
I'm
is crime against humanity, not just Americans, humanity. So it doesn't have to be.
Yeah,
doesn't have
nationality
to do
doesn't
anything with
involve
race.
in this. Okay, I hear you.
Thanks, Your
Okay.
Honor. Thanks, Your
But
Honor.
ma'am, I am a bilateral,
Bilateral.
bilingual. I am a
Bilateral.
multilingual person, and that's why I need a little bit reference. I came
Your
in
Honor,
unprepared because
Exhibit B.
no documents were supported. This was classified under the privilege information, and it was not submitted to me prior. And I understand why it is important. But if I don't
Your
know
Honor,
some-
if I may,
Let her.
if something is classified in a court, she would have gotten it because she's part of the court and she is literally defending the defendant. So she would definitely get it because it's from her client. Who is she defending?
Okay, I agree to this. Let me come to the second part.
Yeah. Okay.
If
Let's.
you're talking, yeah, I'll come to. Can I come to the second part? right
Yes.
now? Yes, we are talking about sending him to anywhere and everywhere. Let me just propose that let's keep him here. And how? If we are talking about this American YouTubers and all this media personality,
Your
let
Honor,
me
she's
coach-
bringing the race card again.
No,
Let her
I'm not.
finish. Let her finish first, and I'll consider about that.
Stop presuming about me, Mr. Attorney. Yes. So if we are talking about this mainstream
She's
media
she's
people,
doing false allegations on me that I'm
Okay.
presuming
Okay.
anything
Let,
about
let,
her.
let her finish first, and then I'll ask you again. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Your Honor.
yes. So if we are, I will quote Mr. Kanye, who also ran for president, and he's.
10 minute, ma'am.
Objection, Your Honor. It's Kanye, not Kanye.
Again, my race. I am a little.
Objection, Your Honor. She's pulling the race card again.
I
Hold
agree
on.
with that.
Your Honor, there's an emergency at my house. Give me 2 seconds. Suchedan.
Letting other people
Suchetan.
into your
10 minutes
courtroom.
later, kholu chu.
Ob-
I have a court
Objection,
proceeding
Your
right
Honor.
now. Hello. Yeah. Yes, Your Honor. I'll complete. I would say the
Okay.
husband of Kim Kardashian, Kanye, whatever it is, Mr. West. okay?
Objection, Your Honor. Kanye.
Kanye. Kanye West. Yeah,
Ka-
I know him.
Kanye West.
Okay.
एक second. दानु 10 मिनट रहे खोलू छु.
Oh, disruption in your food, Your Majesty.
Sorry, Your Honor. There's
That's
some.
So
This,
impolite.
I'm so
Polite.
sorry, Your
Yeah.
Honor.
Preposterous, if I may add.
Preposterous.
Please let me
Inside the
complete this.
courtroom. Okay. I'll let
I'm
you
really sorry.
finish them.
Thank you. So, he on the Rogan, Mr. Joe's podcast.
Objection,
He's-
Your Honor.
This is going
Joe
way
Rogan
too
is the
long.
great. Joe Rogan is the greatest MMA analyst of all time, and she can't even spell his name. How can she quote anything from him if she doesn't even know who he is?
I know about him. My
Objection,
pronunciation
Your
does
Honor.
not matter.
Objection. Hang on.
Permitted.
The jury is objecting. Your Honor, the suit I'm wearing for this, because I was the judge, it is way too hot, Your Honor. I'm sweating. My mom's
I'm
shouting
sweating too right
outside.
here.
Can you please hurry up? Objection. Done. Thank you.
Objection
Okay.
sustained.
Thank you. Big
Okay.
words.
Okay.
Big words.
Okay.
We watch TV.
Okay.
Can I continue, Your Honor?
Yeah. Please proceed, but hurry up.
Please? Yeah. If they do not interrupt me, I would hurry up. Yeah. So, Mr.
Filibuster.
Okay, let her finish. I'll just give you 1 more minute. No, even 30 seconds to wrap up your points, and then I will decide.
Mr. West said we should give the mic to the people who don't even make sense sometimes, because they tell us much more creative things. With the freedom of speech and freedom of liberty, we should, and he has not done that much of heinous crime that we thought. I think he should be home sentenced, not thrown in the gulag or whatever it is. Gulag is the detention camp, and that is like, we don't need detention camp in
Okay,
America.
now you know Gulag. Okay.
30 seconds are up. 30 seconds are up. Done. We count it. We count
Okay.
it. We count it.
Okay. But let me ask you one question though.
Yes, sir.
If you say
Who are you asking, Your Honor?
No. At Mrs. Capozicina, of course. If
Mrs. Cat or
as-
Moral Fly?
if as you say freedom of speech and stuff like that,
Right to live, yeah.
I only see that in this case J. Paul is abusing his freedom of speech.
Yes, ma'am, but that does not mean we throw him into a detention camp and set up a detention camp and set up similar, because whatever your ruling may be, and if we throw him out, it would be termed as a legitimate ruling because of the power we all share in this court,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So we
yes.
cannot
Not
afford.
you,
Yes,
just
I
the
am not
judge.
saying he should not be
Just
thrown,
the judge.
he should not be punished, but I would say he should be punished in moderation and not to the gulag.
Okay,
Objection, Your
okay.
Honor.
Proceed. What is your objection?
The court doesn't have the power. The power lies in the hands of the judge and the jury.
Okay, I like that. I like that objection very much.
Yes,
okay.
the supreme power is in the judge and the juries.
Your time is up. Your time is up. Okay, we have to wrap this up. Okay. So, in my opinion, both Mr.
Before you
Fazale.
make a decision,
Yes.
can I just give a closing statement?
Okay.
Me too.
Sure. I'll give you time.
You had your. Just in the end, I just want to say, for the sake of humanity, for the sake of our kids and Mother Nature, I would just like to appeal to this court and to jury that people like Jake Paul are gonna rise up if we don't do anything against them. So if we
Okay. Don't get emotional in my courtroom. Okay, we're still in the courtroom.
Madam,
Pull
can I
yourself
present a closing
together.
statement too?
Okay.
May
Yeah,
I
Miss
so-
present
Cap.
a closing statement too?
Yes, Miss
Objection,
Cap.
Your Honor.
Shush.
Yes,
Shush.
for the sake of this, thank you. For the sake of humanity, please do not send him to the detention camp. I'm not defending
Objection,
Mr. Jake
Your
Paul
Honor.
here, but
Gulag is not a
I am
detention camp. Gulag is
Objection,
a
Your
gulag.
Honor, I'm bored. Do something.
Okay, for
Objection sustained.
okay, Miss Cap is keep saying that Gulag is detention camp. So, can you, Mr. Fuzail, explain what it is really?
A gulag is a place where you send in Jake Paul for 1v1 for rest of eternity with other epic players like Ninja, Wickstar 123, and then they'll cap his ass. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Yeah, we do not need to send him them, or he would commit more heinous crime.
Cross examination.
Okay.
You can rule now, Judge.
Okay. Does the jury have anything to say before I make my judgment?
Your Honor, you already know I'm totally unbiased.
Mm-hmm.
Like, as it was evident, I have been totally unbiased since the beginning. I have only been taking everyone's side, especially yours, since I'm your jury.
Of course.
But I would definitely say people like to witness Gulag. It could also bring up the TV ratings if you were to present it. And especially if it's Jake Paul, since Jake Paul boasts about him bringing all the, as the kids say, clout. He brings all the clout.
No, he don't.
The TV ratings will rise up, and it could be beneficial for our country and humanity as a whole. I rest my case. Thank you.
I agreed with that point. Okay. So I'm gonna present my final judgment about this case. I think that Mr. Fuzail has won this case because because Jake Paul is the threat against humanity, against kids. We need kids for a better generation, and if kids are being abused by him, we can go any further. Okay, so that's all.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Also,
Good to meet you, Mr. Fizel.
Also,
Good to meet you.
Okay.
how is this your video and you still lost Cap? How's that happen?
Because I don't know who the hell is Jake Paul.
Bro, you know, in the editing, bro, I'm coming over to you. I'm throwing Cap in the audience. Let's dance together to this victory, my brother. Let's dance together. Yes.
Where
Cool,
did you
stop
stop?
recording.
Oh.
Okay, he just stopped recording. I'll dance for him. Yes.
You know, even if I won, I made a bank because I was
No,
Jake Paul's
no.
attorney.
Yeah, that was a torture.
Yeah.
Anyways,
But he would pay me.
But yeah, anyways, who wanna close in? This is really
You can
good.
close it.
I'll close
Oh yeah,
it.
Cap,
I'll
close
close
it.
Go on, Cap.
With this exciting amount of cases which totally happens in day-to-day time, I hope you all enjoyed. Please attend the court more frequently, regularly, and please give the feedback form in terms of likes and comments and shares too. It helps us a lot to save the democracy of this world. Thank you.
Alright, we will all see you soon. Bye.